Hi everyone and welcome. So today I wanted to talk about the GoPro Hero Max and how I mounted it to my bike, and just to show you what kind of shots I actually got with the camera without editing, without doing anything, so straight shots out of the camera, and one which is a little bit edited, just not 360-degree video. I will link that video down below or up above somewhere, so you can actually have a look at the raw material, what I actually got out of the camera, and straight uploaded it to YouTube. I just cut the front and the back a little bit, so that you don't have to watch me getting on my bike and getting off my bike again. So I got this camera from a friend of mine, and since he's not that happy with the camera, I thought, okay, let's give it a try. I did actually find that the mounting method that I have with two different ram clamps and the ram mount extension is not the ideal way to do it, since with a 360-degree view you actually can see some of the clamps here, and you actually have it in your frames the entire time. So for the next time, if I do get that one, I will get the Insta361 selfie stick, which basically has a straight mount, so no clamps, and will basically mount it directly to the camera so that nothing will be in the way. Yeah, so basically what I did mount to my crash bar just a regular ram mount, and did the first one, which was fairly basic, just upright on a 90-degree angle, so I could actually watch it. So when I did mount it that way, as you can see, that doesn't look too stable, does it? I did actually think that it might scratch some of my paintings, some of my paint, and that the entire picture would be completely wobbly. But as you can see later, the stabilization from GoPro is quite good. So I saw that when accelerating quite hard, then it actually started to vibrate a little bit, or when I went over bumps. But hey, that's life. The second one was mounting it in a 45-degree angle away from the bike. First of all, I would not advise to do that somewhere where people are around or when you're in traffic, since that is an extension to the bike, and it actually, it doesn't work that well when just driving around. Everyone's looking at you, and before you actually use it as a guard to basically before you crash somewhere. So here we have the same issue again. It's quite wobbly as well. As you can see here, it's wobbling quite well. But later on in the video, you can actually see how stable the entire thing is. All right. So in that case, I'm going to show you now the videos. And like I said, link the video of the 360-degree file of the raw material down below or up above somewhere, I don't know. And I hope I could help you a little bit with this video and make your decision a little bit easier on if you should buy one or if you shouldn't. My personal opinion, yes, it is a nice option to have. But I haven't found the right mounting point yet. I was thinking that maybe in the back with a pole just beside my cases, that would be one way just to stabilize it a little bit more. But like I said, I haven't found the perfect way until now. All right, in that case, have fun with the videos and see you next time.